Hey everybody, Silverwolf here, and my Furby is falling asleep now. He's actually been awake for quite a while, and now he's decided when I do the video he's gonna go to sleep. Anyway, we've got a few shout outs to do today. They go to Debority Fluttershy Kawaii, and also happy birthday to Twinkle Does Stuff for the 27th of this month. I hope you have an awesome birthday. We've got Kyle, Princess Furby, and Marcy Depew. So we're going to wake Dar back up again in a minute. Basically, fellow YouTuber Amber the Cat told me how to get the baby Furbies to cycle through all of their songs. So that's what I'm going to show you here. It's a little trick that you can do, but only with the baby ones. So wake him back up again. It's not very happy. So what you do is you tickle the tummy, cover the light sensor, tickle the tummy, and cover the light sensor.
Tummy. Oh, cheese and sleepy. You need my car. Hey, where's my go? Eat it early. Da-da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da.
And those are all the songs he knows. I had to shine a torch in his face though, because he wasn't picking up the light for some reason in this room. It is bright enough, and it is daytime, but he wasn't picking it up, so the torch worked anyway. So now you know how to get the baby Furbies to cycle through all of their songs. So thanks for telling me that, Amber the Cat. And as for everyone else, I'll see you next time. So don't forget to click on the videos that come up if you wanted to see any more videos of the 90s Furbies. And this is Silverwolf signing off.